Performance, 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 that's the story of the new ultra-budget gaming phone of 2023, the Infinix GT 10 Pro. We have partnered with Infinix to give you one of the first look at what could be an excellent value for money gaming phone of this year. Let's start with unboxing. This box packs the full package with a secret. We get a protective case, screen protector, headphones with a 3.5mm jack, and a 45-watt charger. Finally, we have the device itself, and well, this looks like what a gaming phone should be all about. Now, as I said before, there is a secret about this box. So this box has a secret compartment where you can place the phone and it turns into a cool amplifier system. Pretty neat. Okay, after spending a few weeks with the Infinix GT 10 Pro, it became very clear to me that Infinix did not hold back in three key areas where it matters the most to the gamers. First up is design. We've got this standout cyber mecha transparent boxy design look that has a mini LED indicator on the back. It looks really good, nothing too flashy, just the right amount, which I personally prefer. They got their inspiration from the world of cyberpunk. Not gonna lie, this actually stands out with its unique look. The light will glow up when there is a notification or any incoming call, or when you're launching a game, or it lights up when you play music. Yes, these lights actually sync up to the music you play, which looks pretty good. We get stereo speakers, power and volume button on the sides, USB-C plus a headphone jack on the bottom. Yes, a headphone jack in 2023, so you can plug in proper high-end wired headphones if you want to take your gaming experience to the next level. Now, speaking of gaming, is it actually any good for its price point? Well, this is one of the first phones to use the new MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chip with a 9-core Meli G77 GPU and up to 16GB of extended RAM. Geek.5 benchmark shows a performance that's about the same level or slightly better than Google's flagship Tensor 2 chip scores, meaning this is actually a flagship level chip. I'm happy to report that these numbers translate very well when it comes to gaming. Starting from PUBG, the performance looks absolutely amazing. By enabling high frame rate mode in the settings, the GT 10 Pro can achieve higher frame rates of 120 in MLBB and 90 frames per second in other games. Other titles such as GTA San Andreas, one of the absolute classics from Rockstar, and my all-time favorite Asphalt 9, they were all a piece of cake for this phone. If you consider the price range of the phone and the performance you're getting, this is absolutely insane. Another thing I love is the base 256GB storage with the option to expand the storage via external MicroSD card at up to 1TB. Plus, Infinix also listened to the consumers by having zero bloatware on this phone, so it is actually indeed a complete ad-free Android 13 experience, which is a big win for the consumers. Now, a good performance is incomplete without a good display, and well, it's gonna surprise you because this phone is rocking a 6.67-inch Full HD plus 120Hz OLED display with 900 nits brightness. Not just that, it has a whopping 1920Hz PWM rate, which means it's going to flicker a lot less compared to even some of the $1,000 flagships out there, along with a smooth 360Hz touch sampling rate, which is fully optimized for a smooth gaming experience. Honestly, they didn't have to go this hard for the display, but it's actually pretty good with a screen to body ratio of 93%. It also comes with a under-screen fingerprint scanner, which is very quick, as well as a cheeky front-facing flash, which you may need in certain situations. As I said in the beginning of the video, these were the three pillars of a gaming phone which Infinix hit pretty well, as well you can hit for this price range. But what about other areas? Well, first up, battery. This phone comes with a great battery life as you expect from a gaming phone. We have a 5000 mAh cell inside combined with 45-watt charging. There's definitely faster charging out there, but it's still plenty that gets you 0 to 100% in less than an hour. Now, enough about gaming. let's talk about those cameras on the back. For a gaming phone, are these cameras good enough? Well, we got a 108 megapixel main camera sensor that comes with a 2x high-res zoom. You get a 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixels depth sensor. Images out of the main sensor are pretty good with nice detail, especially in 108 megapixel mode. Infinix has definitely improved their image processing as well as their camera app experience with a lot of features to play with. When it comes to the video recording, you can shoot videos up to 4K 30 FPS. As for the front, we have a 32 megapixel sensor which records videos up to 2K resolution. Overall, for a gaming phone at this price, the camera experience is bringing a pretty decent package. Now lastly, I want to talk about software. As mentioned before, this is an ad-free UI, so it feels pretty light, especially because of smooth animations and consistent 120Hz refresh rate. Like, this has to be one of the smoothest phones I've used in this price range. Apart from animations, I like some theming, so Infinix has their own built-in theme engine where all the themes are free, so you can use them to have a completely new look in just a matter of few clicks. There's also a special category for special features to play with, which includes multi-window that you can easily access by swiping and holding from one side. You can also swipe 3 fingers across to take a screenshot, which is pretty neat. And if you're a WhatsApp user, then there are a range of WhatsApp features to play with, such as voice changer or applying a beauty filter while having a WhatsApp video call, etc. And most importantly, we have the game mode where you can manage everything about your games, including graphical enhancements for supported games like PUBG and MLBB. There's even a game anti-addiction tab that gives you all the info about your game times, as well as set a health reminder that reminds you not to overdo it. Overall, Infinix GT10 Pro is a great package for its price, considering its display, hardware performance, and design. It really is a treat for gamers with that amazing gaming experience. As always, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.